Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nadine and I make makeup, fashion and motherhood videos. So if that's something that you're interested in, please feel free to browse my channel and subscribe if you like my content. Today I will be talking about this topic which I wish I knew before, like in advance, because when I got pregnant as a first-time mom, I didn't know that your milk ducts could get clogged. So I literally like had a lump on my boob and it was right here, and it was always just so sore, and for whatever reason it would never ever go down. So I thought that I might have had breast cancer. So when I brought it up to my doctor, she was like, oh no, that's just a milk duct. Like as soon as you have the baby and he drinks, it's gonna clear up, it's gonna be fine. Lies. It didn't matter how many times my baby would drink from my breast, it just wouldn't drain. So I just had this clogged milk duct that was so painful all the time, and I just couldn't get it drained. So obvious, like most normal people, I resorted to YouTube to try to find some videos to help me out. One girl, most of the videos suggested that you take a warm compress, like a towel or a washcloth, and you drench it in warm water and you put it to sit on your breast for like a short amount of time, and then all the milk will just come, you know, pouring out whenever your baby drinks or you pump or something. I tried that, it didn't work. One of my main problems with that method is that whatever I used, the warm compress, because it was cloth, I don't know, for whatever reason it would just get cold so fast. So a warm compress would turn into a cold compress real quick, and I didn't have time to keep going back and get some more warm water and then make it, you know, drench the towel in the warm water, wring it out and put it right there, because my baby needs to eat. I need to get rid of this pain. So I found this wonderful method that works absolutely amazing for me, and I just thought that I would share it with you guys. So it's real easy. This is all you need: a bottle of water, and most people have a bottle of water, but what you will need is either a microwave or like just warm water running in your tap. So what I would do is, if I had an empty bottle or if I had this bottle of cool or room temperature water, I would take the water out, put it in a microwavable container, microwave it for a few seconds. You want it warm, not hot, because you don't want to burn your skin, right? And then I would put the warm water back into this bottle, or if I have an empty bottle, I would just take the empty bottle, turn on the faucet, make sure the water is warm, not hot, and I just fill up this bottle, and I take the bottle, I put it wherever the clogged milk duct was, and I just massage it just like this. And you massage it, and it might hurt because it's been clogged for a while. You massage it for as long as you possibly can. If for some reason the water is a little bit too hot for you, you can put some, like maybe a towel right there just to separate the bottle from your skin, or if a towel is too thick, you could use a washcloth, or maybe like a pair of pants, or like just a material that's a little thick, just so that it wouldn't burn your skin. But I just massage this until I feel like it's good enough. So I would say maybe for 5 minutes or less, between 3 to 5 minutes, just keep on massaging it and making sure the water is warm and not cool. And then you just pump or let your baby drink the milk, and it will be clogged, and you will feel so much better. Like I'm telling you, that release is so relieving. So hopefully I helped some of you new mamas out there, and if you just had your baby, congratulations. It's like the best feeling in the world. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. If you guys have any other recommendations for videos that I should do, please don't forget to leave it in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Da, da, da.